That's how you do a ribeye steak, BBQ Smokers style right there. Don't that look so good? First and foremost, I'm gonna salt fry it for about 4 hours. What to do is that kind of tenderize it, add a little bit of flavor to it, on both sides of it. I'll let this brine for about 4 hours and grill this bad boy up. And you can look right here, you can see the salt where it's touched the fat right here, it hasn't rendered out. Anywhere it's touched the meat, it's soaked down to that meat right there, and that'll tenderize it. So be careful going over 6 hours with kosher salt, because it will make it more and more tender. The season we use today is pretty simple. We're using BBQ Smokers, SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. So we're gonna take this right here, season it up really good, and get ready to put it on the grill. Get the edges. The edges. The edges. I got a thermal pin here with the infrared sensor. Let's see what we're reading right here. We're at 670 degrees right here. 640 on the side. So this bad boy here is just hot, it's ready to do it. We're gonna sear it, then we'll move it to the indirect side. So let's get started. I'm coming right here, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put it right here over top of the direct. I'm gonna set the weight right on top of it. All right, so we come on the minute mark, let's flip it over. Now this is very hot right here, so I'm gonna grab this with the rag, set it here to the side. I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna flip it right over. Like I said, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to just get the char marks into it, that checkerboard pattern. But really my main goal is the temperature. I don't want to get over 120 degrees. And right now we're getting smoked out right here. All right, we're at 2 minute mark. Let's flip it over again. So I'm gonna come here. Now this time I'm gonna bring it to this side. Roll it over that way. And I'm gonna go back on this side here with my little weight. Got special effects going right now. See all these special effects coming here? People pay good money for this, don't they? Wind was going that direction. All right, so we're at 3 minutes marks. Let's flip it over again. All right, so we're at the 4 minute mark. I'm gonna take this steak and pull it to the indirect side. I'm gonna leave my char marks up right here. I'm gonna take it right here and set it right over there, like just like this. 180 degrees, I should say. All right, so about another minute, we're gonna flip it over. Or we're gonna rotate, I should say, sorry. So we come up on 7 minute mark in there, so let's see where we are right now. So we're at 105, 122 in Spadalis, 112 there. So we're gonna let it go just a little bit longer. I don't wanna move it because I don't want that Spadalis getting any closer to that heat. I want it to be a little more protected right now. All right, so we come on 9 minute mark. Let's see what it looks like. 117 right there. Hot on my arm, I know that. We're getting right around 117, 120 degrees. Let's pull this bad boy off. I'm gonna take it right here. Put it on this plate. I'll come here and let it rest about 10 minutes here. Calm down a little while. Slice this bad boy up and see what it tastes like. So stick around, be right back. That was 9 minutes, 30 seconds, by the way, on the dot. So it's been rested about 10 minutes. They kind of give it time to calm down. So now what we're gonna do is come over here, I'm gonna just start slicing it. Let's see what it looks like right here. You can see the pink in there, man. That there's perfect. You see where we put it on the bottom right here, we had the slow cook, a little bit thicker gray spot on the bottom than the top side. But that is what we're looking for there, man. That's got a perfect medium rare. I'm pulling right here, dead out the center of it. I'm gonna get the Spadalis on the end of it first. Oh my Lord. Man, that flavor, that salt, pepper, garlic just comes through it, man. It is just awesome flavor to it. You got salt brine, made it texture a little bit tender. That is a dang good steak right there, boys and girls. Dolly, you ready for this? Come on, I'll give you a good one right here. Come on. So Dolly liked it. I reckon if Dolly liked it, you will too. So now let's say the blessing. Let's go eat some supper. Lord, bless the food by receiving. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time. Come on, Dolly. Hey, I'm Jason Hart of BBQ Smokers. We do an expedition out here at Lowe's, and Myron Mix was kind enough to invite us out here to be part of the cook thing. Myron, thank you for having us out here.
Glad you came, brother.
Thank you, sir. Hey, check us out. Got new videos posted every week. See you next time.